So a really cool realization that a lot of people have when they come to one of our events like Step 1 Start Your Journey, and they start seeing this system and these concepts and ideas laid out by my dad, David Mitchell, who came up with a lot of this stuff to provide for his kids and grandkids and to create a family legacy, and then turn that into an educational system so that you can have that as well. You know, when people are learning these things and they have this realization, they realize that it's really not about the money, it's about the time freedom. Imagine having the time to be creative in your life, whether that's with your family, with your church family, accomplishing things that you otherwise would not have had the time to do because you were having to worry about a job in order to, meet the next set of bills, live paycheck to paycheck. You know, at the end of your life, if you live that way your entire life, then you don't really have a lot to show for the enormous amount of work and amount of time that you put into that particular job. We want to show you a way that you can potentially create a new form of income so that you can provide for the monetary needs of your family, of your church family, maybe the missions that you're wanting to support, the ministries, while also being able to dedicate more time to your personal growth, to spending time with your family, and doing things that, a lot of people dream of that never get to experience. We can help you with that. We want to help you with that. And it starts by coming to our very first event, Step 1 Start Your Journey, so that we can lay a solid foundation so that you can potentially reach that financial freedom that we all desire.